Dude, brought the wrong shoes for this. It's super muddy out here. Well, this place looks a lot different than the last time I was here. I don't know how good the fishing is gonna be. The thing is, I don't know what the fish are doing. Down here in South Texas, some fish are pre-spawn, some fish are spawning, and some fish are post-spawn already, depending on the body of water, temperature, and all that. I know there's some decent little fish in here. It was, at least. I don't know if they're still in here. I'm guessing they are. It is a catch and release pond. It gets a lot of pressure, as you can see. There's a couple guys here, there's another guy here, there's another guy or two on this side, and then me. That was cool. Oh man, come on. There we go. First little bass. He came up and ate it right off the bank, dude. That was crazy. Got hit right over that piece of wood. Let's see if he comes back. What the hell? Somebody else's line? Oh, come on. Don't do that to me. Well, broke off my little Mini Max chatterbait, and also broke off my leader, and I just realized I didn't bring any leader line. So we're gonna fish off straight braid. I painted it black a little bit with the permanent marker that I got. Let's see if we can still catch one. No leader. I feel like I should go with a different color worm. It's probably a pretty common color people use here. Let's try a little plum. I don't know where I saw that tire at. Oh, there's a tire in here. See, there's a bass in it. There was a bass in it. Dude, I could see. I could see right under that tree. There's a tire there. I was like, let me go see if there's a bass in that tire. As soon as I cast it in there. Pretty, dude. Oh, that worked out. Let's go to that corner over there. There's a bite. Let's take it off with it. Oh, what happened there? Little guy? They put kind of a bigger hook on here. I don't know why. I just grabbed whichever one. Ooh. Hey, dude. There's one right here. Chasing these bait fish all the way to the bank, dude. The two bites I got were both right on the initial fall. So I'm not gonna work this too far. I'm not gonna work it too much. Let it fall, work it a couple times, cast back out. Way back here. There's another tire right there. Maybe there's another. bass in the tire. If I can get it in there. It's hard to cast in these little places. There. No dice. The tire. Dude, landed, he took off with it. Oh, we got him. Oh, feels like a better fish. I saw like a white spot. I cast it right in there. I said, what is that? And it was a bass. All right. Best one of the day. That was cool. Hopefully you guys can see that. But I was casting over this tree. I saw a little white spot right there and I was like, oh, what is that? And I cast it right there and he took off with it as soon as it landed. Every bite so far has been, as soon as it hits the water, they take off with it. It's pretty cool. See if we can do that again. No leader. Makes me wonder, do you need a leader? Do you really need a leader? I don't think the fish care right now, at least. You see some old beds here, but I think they're bluegill beds. Which makes me think that maybe they're already spawned in this pond, which is crazy, dude. To think that I missed the spawn in a bunch of these ponds. Literally this past weekend, had a tournament in Houston County. And the fish were, they were pre-spawn. Saw some fish that were starting to move up, but they weren't quite on a bed yet. Come down here a few hours south where I live, and some of these places are already post-spawn. Well, we're back to the area we started at. Probably gonna call it there, guys. Didn't catch too many, but considering the pressure that this little pond gets, kind of surprised we caught any at all, to be honest. Got us a little decent one on a little chatterbait. Make a few more casts, see if we can get one more. Oh, there's one. Take it, take it, take it. Come on. He had it, dude. What the heck happened? Well, as I was saying, got interrupted by a fish bite. Either way, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next one.